Hi everyone, my name is Tuyen and you can call me Krissie. I was born and raised in Ho Chi Minh City and I speak with a Southern accent. Xin chào mọi người, mình là Tuyen và các bạn có thể gọi mình là Krissie. Mình đến từ thành phố Hồ Chí Minh và mình nói giọng miền Nam. I have been teaching for over a year and now I would love to have people who want to speak Vietnamese in daily life and people who intend to live or work in Vietnam. In my lesson, we will talk like friends and we will learn through daily conversation such as going to the market, ordering food, or talking at work. I can use tons of things like music, story, or latest news to make the lesson more fun and easier to remember. After every lesson, I will upload all the material and the recording. More than that, I can provide a learning app to help you review and study by yourself. It was made by me, so this app is just for you. And it can be many difficulties when we learn a new language, both in real conversation and in our mind. But don't worry, I will adjust the lesson to your goal, your plans, and your own speed. And if you're planning to visit Vietnam, that's perfect. We can talk about your place, and I will share my insight tips from the most stunning hidden gem to those secret local spots where you will find the best authentic food. And if you have any question before booking a trial lesson, just text for me. And I hope to see you soon. Bye.